But when I tried to read it looked like somebody tried to write on that one. It looked like it said P-U-Z-Z. Is what it looked like it said. The one that had slightly come out.
Yeah, that's the one that controls the gate and everything. So if that was not plugged in, like the gate won't work.
Well, it had been working because people have been going out with their cards.
What version of Abacus, the software we got on there?
On here,
Do these things update automatically?
it's 19.2.0.0.
So whatever system we have now is what we'll always have, right?
Yeah, as far as the major build,
Okay.
I mean, they might have minors if there's like a bug release or something, but we would
Like an
either,
update?
we would come out and do it, or we would do it remotely, online. But they won't automatically, because we know how sometimes like Windows updates happen,
Oh, yeah,
doesn't like it and the whole system goes down, so
Yeah.
it won't do anything like that automatically.
yeah, because that's one thing we did notice on the messages when these things are going back to administrator, shutting off and going to administrator, and going offline, it'll come up and say updates were installed.
Yeah, that's what happened. They shut the computer down, updated.
Well, it should be on the server, on the WinOps ones.
On the WinPos.
I mean, the WinPos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Windows 10.
Yeah, that's what they got her over yonder. I said, better you than me.
What
Go in
if,
there and turn off all
are they
that.
Windows 10 Pro out there on the POS?
Yeah, I think so.
Doesn't really matter.
That's one thing I hate is Windows 10. I still got my old
Guess-
Windows 7.
Can't you go
But
in there and
just-
cut off automatic updates?
I cut off automatic updates
Windows
on
10
Tony's,
is kind of hard.
and his will still update.
Yeah, Windows 10, you gotta go in the registry and
Yeah,
disable
Mike's
it.
got some changes we need to probably
Then it
implement.
makes
The only
it
problem
say,
is
comes on,
if
it
there's
says
security
change
vulnerabilities,
required.
after a period of
Turns on his
time,
computer,
you're
next thing
now
it knows, it goes
causing
to
the system to be
restart.
vulnerable, so it's like
Yeah.
catch
It'll say
22.
install
Yeah,
it
you
or-
kinda need to do the
What
update.
What about,
Your computer.
why is it a problem if it restarts? It's just that it didn't come back up to WinPOS, like we need to put that in the start menu. So that when the system
Start up.
reboots,
Well-
then WinPOS will come up, right?
Yeah, because it's asking for administrator
Well,
password
it's stuck at the password screen, login screen.
for the administrator.
We could set that to temporarily. I guess we need to change how this WinPOS is configured.
Yeah, because one morning, Deborah, this was right during market, she was over there at lot 2, and she called me, she said, I don't have a screen, and I went over there, and it was on the administrator thing, and of course, and it said updates installed, and I had to reset hers. They just randomly do it.
Alright,
Good.
do you want the cards to resync it every night?
You talking about as far as taking them out of pass back?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
3 in the morning or whatever time?
Yeah, probably about 3 in the morning.
Okay, so this actually has to be done on the server.
Mm-hmm. So you can go in and set that up now.
Yeah, so we need task, scheduler. Basically what I want to do is right click here, it says create basic task,
Mm-hmm.
and just go through what you want to do. So it's going to be like
Sync.
Resync cards. Next. And then so we want to do it daily. So next. And occur every day, every one day. And then we'll just set the time. So what did we say?
3 a.m.
So we'll do, so start tomorrow. We'll do 3 0 0 0
And
0.
this is in English, right?
Yeah.
Not UK.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll just we'll do it 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. Let's hit next. And then we want to start a program. And And then, the program next right here, Resync Cards, so we
Mhm.
just gotta find that. So right here, it's on the desktop. Resync Cards. Open. And then we'll go next. And then, so it says daily 3 a.m. every day.
Mhm.
And finish. Oh, we already have it in here.
Oh, it's already in there 3?
Let's see. I didn't see it a minute ago, but it's supposed to say it's in there, I guess.
But this is something we wouldn't be able to get into anyway, right?
Yeah, you can get in there.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. Oh, it's already in there. It's in there for 2 a.m.
Okay.
You want to change it to 3 a.m. or?
Yeah, make it 3 a.m.
Okay, let's see if I can.
That way when the bar's shut down and the people go home.
Yeah. So it has been doing it every night so
Oh, it
far.
has? Okay.
Yeah.
So that ain't a problem with her card then, because it should have, if she had a problem that day, it should have fixed itself.
That's
I know with the old system, you know, sometimes a card reader would lose, you know, a card number, and you just go back in there and
Yeah, well
send
this,
yes to each of the readers and make it send the file to each of the readers
yeah,
again, but,
but this one actually, the card, when they swipe the card, it comes straight to the server and looks for it in here, and then it shoots back like yes or no. So this one doesn't have them stored locally like the other ones did, so shouldn't have any problem with losing cards, as long as you see it in here, it's there, you know.
okay.
Okay. And now we got our icon. Something was weird was going on there because we got our icon back. That's supposed to be now.
Yeah, I don't, but that was after you rebooted.
Rebooted the server, yeah. So.
Now that's something if I see something happen like that, I just call me out and say, look, can you get on and,
Yeah,
Reboot the
and
server.
I got a remote access to that, so it won't take 30 seconds. I can run it in there, reboot it, and
Okay.
back up. You just don't want to reboot it on a really busy day, like if you got if it's like during market or something like that, because it'll temporarily screw with.
yeah, because even the old system, if you was gonna reboot that sucker, you did it at
Do it when there's
6:45 in the morning.
Yeah.
When you knew nobody was gonna be coming in exits or in,
Yeah.
you know, doing anything,
Yep.
because you had to wait for everything to load back up and hope it didn't lose it in the process.
Yeah.
Especially like if it was a time change and you had to really get in there and do the time change. Because I think we had to turn it on when you did the time change, you had to reboot it. So you had to get in hell early.
Let's see. What's on check out?
Now, you started doing the Excel reports in this. Can you demonstrate one for me?
Yeah, yeah. So do that revenue by lane for yesterday. Then you just hit export,
Mm-hmm.
and it's gonna come over here like, do you wanna open or save it? Which, this machine doesn't have Excel on it, but if you guys have a, enterprise license for Excel or whatever, they wanna put a copy on here, they can do it so you can open it right here. Or you can hit save and save it to like a flash drive or whatever you wanna do. If Teresa's gonna be working on her computer or whatever, so you can just hit save as, and you can do like, you know.
So we we have to put one flash drive. in.
Yeah, you can stick it in there, or how you wanna do it, email it or whatever. You do like revenue 11/2018.
Uh-huh.
I'm pretty sure the city has a corporate license, just call Chad, and he can put Excel on
Yeah,
there
put
for
one
you.
on there and you can just pop it up right here.
So he can come in here and
Yeah, you can come put the Excel on here.
Yeah, just call Chad, he's got
the
Excel.
same way he done my laptop, he put the Excel, Word and all that on it.
Yeah, it's just Office, it's all Microsoft Office.
Now, if I'm at home, see, he did put all that on my take-home computer. So if I want to do web reports from home, I could literally
Yeah, if you got Excel at the house, you
Yeah, I
can
got
just, you
Excel
just hit export Excel, and it'll come
Mhm.
in there and ask you want to save or open. You just hit open, and
Okay,
it'll pop it up in Excel.
okay, because he did put it on my laptop.
Yeah, I'll show you. The Excel viewer real quick just to look at this.
Yeah, because the city buys all that Microsoft license stuff, so. Our emails are even under the Office 365 stuff now. Thing it took me 2 months to get Jacobs and Stevens fixed right so they could get their emails. It's real fine. I got it right the other day. They had like 70 emails on there. So I was trying, they don't get LMS. So I was trying to link them up with some of the ones off of the internet site and they couldn't get into them because they were sent to them through the email.
You're trying to download Excel viewer?
Yeah, they don't have that anymore, do they?
I don't know, they might, but it would be on Microsoft's site.
Well, I went to Microsoft's site, this is something else, I don't know.
But yeah, I'm sure City though, they have a license because he put it on the laptop.
Yeah,
If, now, my laptop, say if I'm at home, I don't have, well, I guess I could hook it to my printer at home, but if I did it in Excel, I could upload it to Teresa.
you get email.
Just send it to Teresa while she's out of work.
Just save it as a file and email it to them.
Yes, sir. Hi. Okay, just be. Okay, that's fine. Just be careful. All right, thank you, Stephen. All right, bye-bye. He says a bad wreck up on Westchester. He's gonna be a little late.
But if you save it in Excel, then she can
I can
sort
upload
it
it to
and send
her.
it however she wants to. If you do it in a PDF,
Uh-uh.
she can't make changes to it.
So yeah, I can send that to her, and she can still do a little work from home, and she can deal with. I can send it to her, and she can do it to finance
Yeah.
and do her program that Chad has set up for her computer, putting it in there straight from the Excel.
I guess. I mean,
Maybe that way she wouldn't even have to have these reports. I wouldn't have to take them to her, and she wouldn't have to really come in and get them. Because on those, I'm sure on the Excel, it'll show just like the revenue by lane report, how many each ticket, right? The $1.70, you know,
But that's something that we need to start
75 cent,
learning.
$1.50 and everything. So that would automatically have all that already in it for her lane report, for her reports. Huh. I might could start doing that from my house.
Is it something that we can learn to do too?
Well, the program's in her computer that Chad had for her, where she puts in the amount of daily tickets and billing, you know, like from Market Authority. The only thing wouldn't be in there would be Market Authority, which is billing anyway. Okay, but I could let her know. I'll text how much that is. But yeah, that would be nice to have it on there.
Yeah. 'Cause you can put it on other machines too, you know, but you only have, I think you have 4 logins, so only 4 can be logged in at one time.
And that includes workstations, right? Or
Yeah,
does that not include workstation? Because that confused me, because I seen something about that in here.
well, if you're logged in on at the cashier terminal,
Mm-hmm.
then that counts as one. Well, not the,
Not the WinPOS.
yeah, but the actual one
Yeah.
operator,
Yeah, I seen something, I forget where I seen something about that at. I didn't even know this book existed until yesterday. I finally found it. It's got everything in there about what we were supposed to have,
Right.
like the extra